Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. I'm in love cakes and pastries, and today I'll be sharing with you my 8 years experience and the very first mistakes I made when I started my business. Why I'm sharing this story with you today is because I want you to learn from my mistakes, and I want to also use this video to educate you so that you will not make this mistake when you finally start your business. 8 years ago, when I started nursing the passion to be a baker, I didn't even know how to go about it. But I told my neighbor about it, so she referred me to a lady that trained me. This lady told me what I should learn and also course outline, but I wasn't having enough money, so I bargained for the one I can pay for, which is only how to make cake and decorate them. So after learning how to make cake and decorate cakes, so I went home as a baker. I did not even tell anybody about it. So every day I'll be hoping that someday somebody will call me without knowing that I never told anybody that I know how to make cake. How do people call you without knowing that this is your business? So that brings me to this particular mistake so many of us make: not advertising what you are doing, your business. I learned cake not for my personal use. I learned it because I want to use it as a business. I learned it because I want to earn from it. But I never told anybody about it. I will always know within myself that I am a baker, but I never told anybody about it. So one day, my neighbor gave me a job to bake a cake for her. So I made the cake. The cake was very wonderful, and she and her family, she enjoyed it. Actually, she never paid me for that cake. Oh. I just baked the cake for her and they enjoyed it very well. And that was the same thing that boosted my confidence to start telling people that I can do this, I can make this, I can bake cake. So that was how my passion for the cake decorating and baking started becoming a reality. So at this point, if you are watching this video and you have not subscribed, please kindly hit the subscription button and give me a thumbs up. So after that, I had the confidence to start telling people that this is what I can do. I can make this cake, I can make this flavor, I can make this, I can make that. And after that, I still went for other training, advanced training, to advance and to know the things that I need to do to make my cake wonderful, and to also learn how to do other pastries. So this is where I'll stop in this video. If you want to see the completion of this story, let me know in the description button below. Thank you and bye.